so good to be back. I have decided this year that I'm going to do vlogmas, and so that means I'm gonna have a lot of holiday crafts, holiday outfits. I'm gonna be traveling. I'm currently in Puerto Rico. I'm also gonna be back in New York for a few weeks and then home for the holidays. So 3 different places means you're gonna get some very different types of holiday content. Right now, we're literally at the beach. Like, you can see the ocean from where we are. I've got my trusty iPad, and I thought that it would be a good idea for us together to do a vlogmas bucket list. That way I can kind of figure out all the things that I want to get done on my 25 days of vlogging. I think this will be pretty comprehensive. So there are some things here in Puerto Rico that I want to make sure I get done. I want to see all the Christmas lights in Old San Juan. I want to go to a holiday market. There was one my mom mentioned that I think we might go to, and it's basically like a huge holiday festival in like the rural area, and it's supposed to be really amazing. So hopefully I'll bring you guys with me for that. Okay, so moving on to New York things that I want to get done. So obviously I want to go ice skating. I love ice skating. We'll do that. The holiday markets. I want to go to as many holiday markets as possible. Ooh, I want to go down 5th Avenue and see all the Christmas lights. So we'll add that to the list. Ooh, Bergdorf Goodman. That's a part of 5th Avenue though, so we'll do that as well. We can see the Christmas lights in Diker, which is a neighborhood in Brooklyn. So that would be really cool because I've never done that. Oh, okay, a holiday bar crawl, very important. I think I've convinced one of my friends to have a holiday party at her apartment, so I'm gonna add that on here too. Just, we'll say a holiday girls' night. What else? A Christmas tree lighting. I applied for the lottery to get tickets for the Rockefeller tree lighting, and I found out recently that I got the tickets, so that of course has to go on my bucket list. Like, that's just too important not to. New York has really great cafes, and a lot of them like to decorate for the holidays. So I think that would be really, really cute to spend like an afternoon at one and just enjoy the holiday drinks and things. Okay, so the rest of the things that I'm thinking are more generic, therefore I can do it both at home in Texas or New York or wherever. I would like to go to a holiday party. I would like to see the Nutcracker or some sort of a Christmas play dance performance. In Texas, I always make a bunch of cookies, and I will give them to my mom's coworkers, the postal workers that come and deliver our packages. So I'm definitely gonna add a day of that. Thrifting for Christmas, of course, very important. If it snows while I'm in New York, a snow day, like making a snowman, doing something fun like that, like just a winter day in my life. When it snows is rare, and I'm hoping it doesn't snow while I'm here in Puerto Rico. Oh, I want to do a volunteering session. Oh my gosh. And okay, I saw this girl on TikTok talking about how her mom, when she was little, would make her elf dinner, which is basically a dinner with like a bunch of minis of everything, and she thought that was really whimsical. And I have a niece and a nephew, so I think I'm gonna attempt to do that as well. I think that would just be so freaking cute. I think I also want to do like a Christmas cocktails moment where I just like make a bunch of different cocktails, similar to the cookies, but like with my friends. And yeah, I kind of feel like I made it through that list pretty quickly. Let's go to Pinterest real quick and see if there's anything I could add to this. Oh my gosh, I forgot the most important thing. Decorate for Christmas. I can't believe I could forget that. Thanks Pinterest for reminding me. I have a little Christmas tree that I'll put in my apartment, and I'll show you guys all the fun things I do there. So I have 2 travel days within the course of Vlogmas. I'm here in Puerto Rico for a few more days. And then so I'll be traveling back to New York, and then after I'm in New York, I'll be traveling home for the holidays. So I will try and get as well like airport, like holiday cheer if possible, but I have other things planned for those days as well. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Okay, I need to add decorating a gingerbread house. That is important. This kind of goes without saying, but I also want to make a bunch of holiday decor, but I don't think I will make that as a part of the checklist, only because I'll probably be doing this throughout. So you'll see a lot of DIY content, of a lot of crafting content for the decorations and the gifts as well. I want to do a gift guide for everybody. Let's just go through this girl's winter bucket list. Ice skating, check. Watch holiday movies. Me and my mom love watching cheesy Hallmark and Netflix Christmas movies, so that definitely has to go on the list. Then, I gotta take y'all holiday shopping with me. I don't make the rules. And oh my gosh, I want to go sledding. Again, this isn't in case it snows type of situation. Hopefully it snows, because it definitely doesn't snow in Texas. Yeah, I feel like that's kind of it. Like, look how cute some of these little wish lists are. So I'm going to add all of these items onto my bucket list, and I will share it here at the end. But for now, I will leave you guys with a little bit of a sneak peek of what I've been doing so far in Puerto Rico. It's honestly beautiful, and I had a wonderful Thanksgiving week here. So until tomorrow, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.